colorful, kids. Oh no, the pool is leaking. Let's help me patch the holes according to the pattern. Thank you for your help. Now we have to put the gifts into the box according to their colors. Thank you for playing with me today. See you in the next game. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell.